Okay, I have 7 books published right now, coloring
Hmm.
books, low content, and I wanted to know if your ad lottery strategy
Yeah.
works fine,
Hmm.
coloring books as well as high content books.
100%, 100%, 100%. So when I do my ad lottery, because I have both, right, coloring books and high content, so I'll do one lottery ad that has literally every single one of my books in my catalog is in one lottery campaign, every single one. Okay, and then I also run lottery campaigns that only have all my coloring books. So you could do the same thing. You could do a lottery campaign that has every single one of your books, like every single book. For some reason, I say every single book in some of the videos, and they're like, "Well, even this one, like every single book." Yes, every single book. Then you could also run a single coloring book lottery campaign that only has all of your coloring books if you want as well.